Hi, I'm Rashmi Kaushik from Sinotech Technology Solutions Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to talk about introduction to Microsoft Power Platform. Microsoft Power Platform helps users to analyze data, build solutions in a way that data can work for the business most efficiently, and then automate the process. So you can also define Power Platform in three words: analyze, act, and automate. It helps to unlock the potential of Office 365 and Dynamics 365. You can explore all the capabilities of Office 365 like Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, Excel, etc. It is a powerful tool that provides quick and easy app building along with valuable real-time data insights. It is low-cost solution that can be used across devices like mobile, web, and tablets. Microsoft Power Platform is a robotic combination of PowerApps, Power BI, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agent. It helps to solve real business problems rapidly and cost effectively. It enables users to quickly and easily build custom apps using Power Apps, analyze data for insights using Power BI, automate workflows to improve business productivity using Power Automate, and build intelligent bots with a no code interface using Power Virtual Agent. Here through this figure, we will see Microsoft Power Platform ecosystem and integration. We can see that all the four components of Microsoft Power Platform, that is Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent, and Power BI, are hosted on Microsoft Cloud Platform Azure, but it is more than only the sum of its component. It is used to build end-to-end solutions by connecting together to Office 365, Dynamics 365, and many standalone applications. Microsoft Power Platform can connect to hundreds of data sources like SharePoint, Outlook, Google Calendar, etc. by using a library of connectors and common data service, bringing all your data together. It helps you to get a proper insights of your business as well as customize and extend Office 365, Dynamics 365, and Azure capabilities. Let's take a look at Power BI. Power BI provides detailed insights of your business by converting your backend data into visuals, real-time dashboards, and reports. So you can create custom dashboards and reports to visualize your data from diverse area of your business. For example, marketing, sales, customer care, to name a few. It allows you to dive deep into your data and get a proper insights by slicing, filtering, and drilling down into your data. You're also able to share and publish your reports and dashboards within your website, Teams, SharePoint, and with many other apps. It is a great analytical tool that can assess your complex data to give you a meaningful insight through data visualization, built-in artificial capabilities, Excel integration, and through pre-built and custom data connectors for continuous improvement. Let's take a look at PowerApps. PowerApps allows users to create and deploy custom or tailored applications that can be used on both desktop and mobile. Both developers and non-developers can create applications in PowerApps as it also works in no-code environment. It has pre-built templates, drag and drop simplicity, and quick and easy deployment. With the help of Power Apps, you can create wide range of applications that can help you to streamline your business process. It also allows users who are working from home or away from the desk environment to work on the go by a completely customized user interface. Technical developers have an added advantage as they can extend app capabilities with Azure Function, create custom connectors, and provide seamless integration as per the business need. Power Apps provide seamless integration of data from the common data service and also from more than 200 different additional connectors that are available to ensure that the data you need is displayed in your applications. Next, we have Power Automate. Power Automate was previously also known as Microsoft Flow. It is an automated workflow between your apps and services. It enables everyone, whether technical or non technical, to build secure workflows with no code guiding experience. It streamlines repetitive tasks so that you can focus on other business critical needs. It provides seamless integration with hundreds of pre built connectors. It helps you to boost productivity by building time saving workflows for everything, like from individual tasks to large scale system. It is completely safe and secure to use as it is hosted on Microsoft Cloud Platform Azure. Identity and access management provides you with complete control of your workflow, giving you the rights for who can make changes to your flow, like who can view it, edit it, or delete it. Next, we have Power Virtual Agent. It is a latest addition to Microsoft Power Platform. It enables users to build intelligent chatbots with no previous coding experience required. It helps you to respond quickly to your customer and employee needs through virtual agents like chatbots. It can solve common problems and internal facing issues automatically that can help you to free your staff and focus on other complex issues. You can integrate Power Virtual Agents with products and services using hundreds of pre-built connectors. And last but not the least, you can improve chatbots performance using artificial intelligence and data-driven insight. Now let's take a look at benefits of Microsoft Power Platform. It is very cost effective and easy to use. It is easy to deploy. There is no prior coding experience required to work on Microsoft Power Platform. It provides seamless integration with products and services through connectors, common data service, and artificial intelligence builders. It provides you with platform availability. You can work well on mobile, web browser, and tablets. It is completely safe and secure to use as it is hosted on cloud platform Azure. For more information, you can visit at powerplatformconsultants.com or you can also visit at sinotech.com. Thank you.